Hi everyone. So let us solve this question and we'll see that how many time it is going to take to solve this question. This question belongs to the circle topic and it is actually model A paper. Okay. So let us see the question. They are saying that if the length of the smallest path that can be traced from origin to this point without traversing inside the curve, this one is of the form of this one. All right. So first of all, I'm going to draw the circle and then I'm going to locate these 2 points and then I will explain you what is the meaning of this question itself. So suppose that if we are going to have a coordinate axis and then we have given a circle. Circle, what do we have given? We have given x square plus y square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So obviously center will be how much you are going to get now? Root 2 comma 0 and radius will be how much? Root over, so 2 square, so 2 minus 1, that is 1 itself we are going to get now. Okay. So center will be somewhere root 2 comma 0 and radius is 1. So we can expect this kind of circle. This is the circle which we are going to get now. Okay. Now let us try to locate the point. So first point is very easy. This is the origin. Okay. And this point already we know, that is root 2 comma 0. Okay. Now if you see very carefully, if this is till up to here, we are getting root 2, correct? So this length will be the radius 1. So this point will be what? Root 2 plus 1 comma 0. Okay. And this is what they are saying, root 2 plus 1 comma minus 1. It means this point is nothing but somewhere here, because this length is also 1, this should be also 1. So this point will be root 2 plus 1 comma minus 1 we are going to get now. Okay. So we can write out here, this point is nothing but root 2 plus 1 comma 0 and this is the 1 we are going to get it here, and exactly here also we are going to get it. This point is suppose P root 2 plus 1 comma minus 1. Now let us talk about the question, what they are saying. They are saying that length of smallest path that can be traced from here to here, means from here to here I need smallest path. So basically smallest part is nothing but this OP distance, but they are saying without traversing inside the curve. It means without traversing inside the curve means this path cannot cross this circle. All right, means it cannot lie inside the circle. Either it will be outside of the circle like this way, or it can be hardly on the circle. So what I will do it here, I will take the smallest distance till up to here, and from here I will take the circumference length, and later again I will take the smallest distance here itself. In this way I can find the smallest distance. Can you see that this is smaller than this length, smaller than this length, and obviously this is not possible. Okay. So what kind of length I am going to expect now? So here I can take the tangent, and till up to here it will be the circumference type length, and this will be the again tangent. Let us assume this point will be B, this point will be A. So I can say that total smallest length how much you are going to get if this is origin. So length of smallest path, what I can say that length of smallest path is nothing but it will be OA plus AB plus BP. All right, that's what we are going to find out. Okay. So few things will be noted. First of all, question is how to find out this AB. So using the arc length. Arc length is nothing but r theta. So basically this theta if you know, so you know this one also. Okay. Now before that we need to find out here OA. OA is nothing but length of tangent. So what is the OA we are going to get now? OA will be root over S1. That is, S is nothing but what do we have given? This is the equation, and root over S1 means root over 0, 0, 0, everything will be 0 except root 1. So what is the OA we are going to get now? 1 length. It means this length is going to be 1. Okay. Will you tell me what is the BP? This length we are going to have now. So see that this length is radius, so it will be 1. this length will be also 1 because they are saying -1, so this length will be also 1, correct? And since here it will be the tangent, so it will be perpendicular. So obviously this one, and this is the perpendicular. It means whatever this length do we have now, exactly same length this one do we have, and this is the radius 1, so obviously this is also going to be 1. So I can say that this length is 1, so this will be also 1, so it means it is equal to BP also, correct? So our question we got it very easily, 1 plus AB plus BP, correct? It is nothing but it will be equals to AB plus 2, correct? And what is AB? AB is nothing but R theta. If this is the theta, so AB will be how much you're going to know? R theta, and R actually they have given 1. What is R? They have given 1. So this is theta itself. So I can say that theta plus 2 will be the final answer. Question is what is the value of theta we are going to get now. So see very carefully what I am going to use the geometry here. Since this is the tangent, this is the radius, this will be perpendicular. This length is 1, this length is 1. So tan theta will be equals to opposite upon adjacent, that will be equals to 1. So it is equals to tan 45 degree. So theta will be how much you're going to get now? 45 degree. So I can give this one as a 45 degree angle. Now if it is 45, and obviously you can see that it is a perpendicular, this is the perpendicular because it's a tangent, okay? So obviously it will be what you are going to get now? 90 degree we are going to get now. This is 90. Okay, one more thing, it is also perpendicular, this is 45 degree, so this will be also 45 degree, and this is 90, so this will be also 45 degree. It means this angle how much you are going to get? This angle will be 45 degree, and obviously this is 90, so this angle will be also 45 degree. And we should write in terms of radians, so pi by 4 will be the values here. So what is the length of smallest path? Smallest path is nothing but it will be theta plus 2, that is pi by 4 plus 2. And in the question they have given this one, a pi by 16 minus b. So I can write it is equals to a pi by 16 minus b. So compare. If you compare, what we are going to get now? A pi by 16 equals to pi by 4. So pi cancel out, 4 4s are, so a equals to 4 we are going to get now, and obviously b equals to -2. Question what they are asking? They are asking a plus b. So we can write it here 4 minus 2, so that will be 2 we are going to get now. So final answer what we are going to get now? 2 itself.